Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss Cbse class 10 Maths chapter 2 Polynomials. We are going through the concepts about the polynomials and now we are getting into the second part of the concepts. So in this video we are going to know about the zeros of a polynomial. So we learned about what is a polynomial and what are the types of polynomial in the previous video. In this video we are going to learn about something called as a zero. What is a zero of a polynomial? Okay children, so now what is the zero of a polynomial? The zero of a polynomial is defined as any real value of x for which the value of the polynomial becomes 0. Okay, so for example, if you have a polynomial p of x, so generally we'll represent the polynomial as p of x. Okay, so let us consider we have some polynomial p of x to be x square minus 3x minus 4. Okay, so this is going to be a polynomial. So if we substitute some value for x, if we substitute p of 0, what we will get? We will get 1 square, we'll get x is going to be 0. So here it will be 0 square minus 3 into 0 minus 4. So the answer will be what? Minus 4. But we want the p of that particular value to be 0. So we should find a accurate number where we get these p of x to be 0. So that is what we need to find out. Okay, so for example, if we are going to have a polynomial p of x to be 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. So we need to get some value for x so that the p of x itself will be 0. That means we want 2x plus 3 to be 0. So this, since this is going to be a polynomial of degree 1, that is a linear polynomial, we can very easily do even by equating. So what you will get? 2x equal to minus 3. So x will be what? Minus 3 by 2. So now can we substitute in this polynomial? So what will be for this polynomial? Okay, if we are going to substitute p of minus 3 by 2, what we will get? 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3. So now 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. Okay, so now we can say that the 0 of this polynomial is 3 by 2. Now do you understand how to find the 0 of a polynomial, children? So 0 of polynomial is where, so for x we are going to substitute some value, or we can say, we can consider that value to be k. At x equal to k, if p of x is 0. Okay, that means at x equal to k, p of x is 0. Okay, then this k is the 0 of the polynomial. This k is the 0 of the polynomial. So this is how we can find out. Is it clear, children? So this is about the 0 of the polynomial. So that is what we have learned today. So, or to understand in simple terms, the value of the variable which makes the polynomial 0. Variable is what? The variable is going to be x or y. Okay, so if we are going to substitute some value for this variable, and this value which we give to the variable, if it is going to make the polynomial p of x to be 0, then that value is called as the 0. So this value is called as the 0 of the polynomial. Is it clear, children? See, even here you have a number. So polynomial p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. So when you put minus 2, so let's do it here also. Minus 2, what you will get? Minus 2 the whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. So when you are going to do it, 2 into 2 is 4 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 6. So what is going to be now? 10 minus 10, which is going to be 0. Have you got 0? Yes. So now what is the 0 of the polynomial here? It is going to be minus 2. Okay. So then we can write the 0 of the given polynomial is going to be minus 2. So we can find these zeros for any given polynomial. So now we'll just get through what is given in your textbook. So if p of x is a polynomial in x and k is any real number, so it should be a real number. Then by replacing the x by k in p of x, then we are going to find out the value of p of k. So when you find p of k, if it is going to be 0, then that is the 0. Look here children. So this is the example which we took there also, x square minus x minus 4. If we put minus 1, what you will get? Minus 1 the whole square, minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. So what will it become now? So here for this it will be 1, minus 3 into minus 1 it will be plus 3 minus 4. So it will be 4 minus 4 where you have 0. Okay. So here this k value was what? Minus 1. So what is the 0 of the polynomial? It is going to be minus 1. So can this happen only for one value? No, it cannot. Okay. It can happen even for more than one. And basically here you see that even for p of 4 you are going to get the same. Okay. See how you can remember is that based on the degree of the polynomial, you will get the number of zeros. If there are, the degree is 2, okay, if the degree is 2, then the number of zeros will also be 2, okay, the number of zeros will also be 2, so that you should remember, okay, the degree will be equal to the number of zeros in a given polynomial. Okay, if it is going to be a linear polynomial, that is the degree is going to be 1, the number of zeros will be only 1. Here the degree is 2, so we are getting for two values, p of 1 and p of minus 1. For both you are getting it as 0. So you can say that minus 1 and 4 are called the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Is it clear children? So this is about your finding out the 0 of the polynomial. See, even for this you see you have f of x is equal to 3x square minus 2x minus 1. So when you substitute for 1 you are getting 0. So then you can say that you get the 0 at x equal to 1. So like this, if you have to keep on substituting, we can find out where all we are going to get this 0. Okay, so here you have p of x equal to x minus 2 equal to 0. So for this what you will have? So x will be equal to 2, then p of 2 will be what? 2 minus 2, which will be 0. Okay, so for this you can say that the 0 is at 2. Is it clear children? So this is how you will have to understand these concepts. So we can also find out the zeros by using the formulae also. We have formulae for linear, quadratic, cubic and all. So which we'll be seeing in the next video. Hope you have understood this children. We've just learnt about what is the 0 of a polynomial. So with this we can see how we are going to apply this in different kinds of polynomials so that it will be easy for you to understand. Hope you understood this children. If you have any doubts, please get back to the videos once again and try to understand. See you again in the next video. Thank you children.